Hello everyone, welcome to Exot Solutions. Today we are going to see about some basics and user interface of CATIA software. The long form of CATIA software is Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. CATIA is a solid modeling tool which unites 3D parametric features with 2D tools, and also it addresses every design to manufacturing process. CATIA is widely used throughout the engineering industries, but in especially it is the best software available in the market which is used by many industries. So let's get started with CATIA. To open CATIA software, just double click on CATIA icon, and after that you will see this type of window. To start a new project, click on start. Here you can find many modules, but we can move to mechanical design. After that, in mechanical design there will be many submodules like part design, assembly design, sketcher, product functional tolerancing and innovation, but we will discuss all this in upcoming videos. For now we will see sketcher. After clicking sketcher you will get new part. If you want to give any name to your part, you will give, for example, I will show project 1. If you don't want to show this dialog box again, just click here. After that, press OK. After all this done, you will come to workbench environment. Remember, there will be two types of environment. One is workbench environment and another is sketcher environment. In workbench environment, we convert sketches into three-dimensional, and in sketcher environment, we work on model which is in two-dimensional. If you compare to assemble, that is part environment. In this video, I am going to show you sketcher environment. To go into sketcher environment, you have to select any one of this plane. This called as model tree, in which your design history will be stored. So let's start it. Click on XY plane. After that you will come to sketcher environment. In sketcher workbench there will be four major toolbars, which are sketch toolbar, profile creation toolbar, constraint toolbar, and fourth number is operation toolbar. To make you user friendly with CATIA software, I will give you some short explanation of these four toolbars. So the first one is sketch toolbar. In sketch toolbar, first command is grid. If you activate grid, then you will see these boxes will appear. These boxes will help you to draw any object, or to draw any center line, or to get any point. So for that you will use grid. If you are friendly with CATIA software, you don't need grid. The second option is snap to point. If you activate snap to point, you will draw any sketch in between this rectangle only. The second tool is profile creation toolbar. In profile creation toolbar, you will draw object. For example, I will show you. If I select profile, then this line will appear. It called continuous line, and that's how you can draw any object by profile. Just like that, in profile creation toolbar there will be rectangles, circles, arcs, spline, ellipse, line, reference line, point, that we will discuss in next video. Third toolbar is constraint toolbar, which means if you use constraint, then you will give dimension to your object. For example, I will show you. If I draw a line and I want to give dimension, something parameter to it, then just I click constraint and click line. After that the dimension will be appeared. To change dimension, just double click on it and give as per your suitable dimension and press enter. To delete object, just select it just like that and press delete. If you want to undo it, just press Ctrl plus Z, it will be undo, and if you want to redo it, just press Ctrl plus Y. So this is the constraint. And in last fourth one, operation toolbar. In operation toolbar you can chamfer, corner, erase, mirror to your object, that we will see in next video. Commands are rotate command or pan command. So now you will see this object. If you want to move it up, down or left to right, just at bottom you will see pan command. Just click it and you will move it up, down or left, right, just like that. And if you want to rotate it, here is the rotate command. You can rotate your object. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out, then there is a two commands here. If you want to see this object in normal view, here is the normal view. So these are some basic user interface of CATIA software. We will see profile creation toolbar in next video.